a terrible idea.
It's been 3 days, we are brave.
Okay, stop. This is a shot I was trying to get when I broke the drone. All the shots you just saw was shot about 1 year ago for one client in Okinawa, Japan. Let me show you where it is. It's an amazing place actually. It looks like paradise. It's not at all where I'm living right now. I'm living in France, in the south of France, and there is a sea, but it's totally different. Okay, this is actually Japan, but the map is too small. This will be easier on this map. So, this is Japan. The small island there, it's Okinawa. And if you want to know more about Okinawa, I invite you to check the link below. I put the link of the video I created for that. So last year we spent 4 days shooting in Okinawa, and on these 4 days we got 3 days of typhoon. It was crazy, and the 4th day, luckily, was an amazing weather. At the beginning, I didn't catch at all what happened. It was crazy windy. The drone was moving all around. It was really tough to control. The thing I didn't get at this moment is why I was not able to move the drone wherever I wanted. Let me show you. I ended up breaking the 2 legs of my drone because of one thing: the collision avoidance system.
A set of rear visual sensors has been added to existing forward and downward sensors.
I think it's pretty similar if you turn on a drone in the middle of your apartment and you simulate a strong wind. So I will not be able to simulate a strong wind, but
Ladies and gentlemen,
let's make it fly in the apartment. You can spin like that, move up and down. Don't do it too much right now because I will hit the ceiling. Whenever the collision avoidance system is on, you cannot move anymore the drone, and so if there is a strong wind like what happened in Okinawa, the drone will end up in a tree or end up in the window. As soon as you're flying a drone in the middle of a crazy wind, either it's typhoon or things like that, first you should not fly a drone when there is a typhoon. Think about turning off the collision sensor.
Maybe going to miss the boat.
5 minutes. 5 minutes left. Hope you enjoyed this video and my terrible French accent. Don't hesitate to like, share, and even comment if you got great story you want to share with us. And in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening,
And good night.